Welcome to the Investing Podcast presented by Tusk Media. The final bell has rung and the market is now closed. So let's move on to an audio and video recap with the Investing Happy Hour.
Welcome back, everybody, to the Investing Podcast, as always presented by Tusk Media. Today is still Tuesday, August 30th. Pulling the Andrew, didn't know the date before I turned the camera on. I'm joined for the Investing Happy Hour by Matt Krebsbach. How you doing?
Not bad. Switching it up.
Yeah, switching it up. Taking Andrew's spot. He's getting a little lazy on us.
Yeah.
All right, we'll start with the market. The Dow finished down 0.26%, S&P down 0.2%, NASDAQ finished up 18 basis points, the global Dow finished up 0.03%, gold lost quite a bit today, just over 1%, and oil down pretty solid, bad, good.
It's a pretty big loss for gold,
Yeah.
I thought. 1%, that's kind of,
Yeah,
doesn't move that much.
1.5%. All right, jumping into whatever Krebs wrote. I'm just the intern. I don't really keep up with the market that much. Still doing some grunt work stuff.
I gotta take this over.
Yeah.
So Agrium and Potash Corp. Potash is a Canadian company, but this morning there's news that they're talking about merging, and Potash jumped like 10%. They have a crazy rough year. Like there's just a crazy oversupply in nitrogen and potash. I don't know if you're aware of that.
Yeah, I'm very familiar with that business.
But Agrium was up like 5%, which is kind of interesting that they both were up on the same day, and a lot of other nitrogen companies like CF were up as well. It's kind of interesting that the whole sector moves when news like that comes out.
What is potash?
It's like fertilizer.
Oh, okay.
It's like a component in fertilizer that's always used. That farmers use.
Again, I don't really know much because you want to know what I did today?
What did you
I
do?
spent about 3 hours researching if Norwal should switch natural gas providers to save some money.
What was the outcome of that?
Not much, just a lot of reading and a lot of really sketchy natural gas providers in Kennesaw, Georgia. So it was
You'll get there.
Yeah, maybe.
Also this morning, or maybe it was afternoon, I think it was this morning, but Apple was charged $14 billion by the EU in back taxes that they say they owe.
Billion with a B.
Yeah, with a B. I mean, that's, to them, like, take a step back, it's not that big a deal. I mean, on their books, they have like 200 billion in cash. But Tim Cook wasn't too happy about it, their CEO. He had a letter I read that he wrote. He wasn't too happy about it.
He likes writing letters.
Yeah.
I
I mean, not much else you can do besides write a letter, I guess. And I guess we haven't heard your take on Colin Kaepernick. That's been a big thing. I was curious what you thought on that.
My take on Colin Kaepernick is not a great one. Well, it's a good opinion, I think.
Don't hold back.
I think it's a little coward-esque. Andrew actually tweeted out today, so I'm not a big movie guy. I didn't know who Gene Wilder was until he passed away yesterday. I recognize his face, I've seen movies that he's in.
Did you watch Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory?
Yeah, I've seen that. I mean, I'm not that under a rock. But I obviously recognize him, just didn't know his name. So he tweeted out that I am no longer allowed to stand for the national anthem because of how un-American it is, that I did not know who Gene Wilder is. So I guess I'm joining Colin Kaepernick. That's not actually true because
you're gonna have people in the NFL like talking about you. Yeah.
Everyone's gonna notice the intern sitting for the national anthem at Norwal because we do it every morning, right before the market opens. Yeah. When we say pre-production meeting, we're really just singing the national anthem together.
Take turns.
Yep. This has been the Investing Podcast presented by Tusk Media. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Tusk Media is a subsidiary of Narwhal Capital Management. Ratings and reviews of Tusk Media content are not to be construed as endorsements of opinions, analysis, or services offered by Tusk or its parent company. The opinions and predictions shared here are our professional beliefs at the time of publication. We are not under duress from any of the corporate entities mentioned. This is not a solicitation to take any particular action. Although we are investment advisors, this information should not be considered investment, legal, or tax advice. We strive to be as impartial, insightful, and accurate as possible. We base our opinions, analysis, and calculations on information we believe to be reliable, but we cannot guarantee its accuracy. We can, however, guarantee that our opinions will sometimes be flat out wrong due to a variety of factors. Employees and clients of Narwhal Capital Management may or may not hold positions in the securities detailed and may or may not hold these positions in the future. A full list of all securities purchased, sold, or held during the 12 months preceding the date of this publication can be provided upon request. Unless otherwise noted, all data accessed via MarketWatch or the Bloomberg terminal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. A copy of Narwhal's Form ADV is available at the SEC's website, www.advisorinfo.sec.gov, or from Narwhal upon written request.